Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This recording is for the last three questions, or I think the last three questions of the review exam. فده حل بس queries and the reports. So this is just a solution for the queries and the reports, because we have already done that in class, the relationship and the primary key and all of that. One thing that I want you to remember, يعني حاجة واحدة عايزاكم تفتكروها، إن primary key في state and abbreviation في state and provinces was state abbreviation. This is the primary key. And to build the relationship with employers, we actually opened the employers table. فتحنا الemployers table عشان نعرف أنه عمود هو اللي مشترك ما بينهم. So we opened the employer table and we found that the employee state is common between both CIA, WI, MO. When we open the state and provinces, we find these values are in state abbreviation. So they are here. يعني هو ده العمود المشترك ما بينهم، اللي هو هنا في state and abbreviation اسمه في state and provinces is called state and abbreviation, and in employers it is called employee state. So you are looking at the values. بتبصي على القيم بتاعة العمود ده، القيم دي موجودة فين تاني؟ Where can I find these values? So in the state and province, they are in state abbreviation. So that's the common. Okay. Everything else, I mean, is pretty straightforward. كل حاجة تانية يعني واضحة. نيجي للqueries. The first query says that they want you to show the annual salary. Let me see if I have that. They want you to create a query that displays the annual salary for all titles available in an employee state. فعايزين the employee state, the department, the title, the career area, and the annual salary. And they say they want it only for health and safety department. So in here we'll close the relationship. We'll go under create, query design. We'll add the employers, the position, and the state and provinces. And here is the employee state, the department, the title, the career area, and the annual salary. This is pretty straightforward. I mean, looking at the report that you have in front of you, you're going one by one and adding them. The thing that you have to be careful is it says here health and safety department, which means you only need health and safety. So, and it is a department. So under the department, I'm gonna put a criteria that is health and safety. Now you have to remember, because we have the ampersand دي علامة الآن, we have to put the double quotes. فهنكتب health and safety between double quotes. لازم تزودي الquotes قبل الهيلث وبعد الهيلث double، الاثنين اللي هما الاثنين double quotes. And you run. And here you have your things. It says that they want it sorted. Did they say they want it sorted? No. So it didn't say that they want it sorted. So that's all that you have. And you want to save the query as position by state. Okay. نيجي للكويري الثانية. The second query says create a query to show the average minimum and maximum of annual salary by career area. So I have to have the career area first and then lowest, average, and highest salary. And we said that if they want the lowest salary, average salary, highest salary, I have to add annual salary 3 times. Again, I will go under create, query design. This time I only need positions. ليه؟ لأن هو عايز بس the career area and the annual salary. All they need is career area and annual salary. كل اللي هم محتاجين هم الحاجتين دول، فمش محتاجة أعدل بقية التيبلز. Okay. And I know in order to get the minimum, maximum, and average, I have to add the totals, and I will change the group by for annual salary عشان هو ده النمبر. You only change the group by when you have a number, nothing else. يعني ما ينفعش يبقى text change it. You cannot change text. You have to change the number. So we'll have it as average, minimum, and maximum. And the last thing is changing the caption. Is highlighting, right click, and opening properties. Yeah, if I run it now, I have the exact same. The only thing you want like to make room for the whole title so you can see. Okay, and then you want to make sure that it is sorted from highest to lowest salary. So under the sort for maximum, you will change it to descending. Descending معناه من الأعلى للأوطى, from the highest to the lowest. And here you get the report. The last question is generating the report. And again, you want to look and see how the report look like. يعني لازم نبص نشوف الريبورت ده شكله ازاي. We see في state name, state abbreviation, capital, country, department title, and annual salary. And we said that if you have different columns, you have many columns, the best thing is to choose the orientation تبقى landscape. يعني علشان تبقى الورقة بالعرض، مطبوعة بالعرض مش بالطول. لما بتعمليها بالطول بتبقى ضيقة، مفيش مكان لكل الكولمز دي. لكن لو عملتيها بالعرض اللي هي الاورينتيشن تبقى لاندسكيب، يبقى عندك مكان للكولمز. So if you see that there are so many different columns, change the orientation to landscape. So it is state name, state abbreviation, capital, and motto is not included, but country. And then we go to the positions. I think it is department title and annual salary. So department is under employers, you have to change to the table department, and then you go to positions and you add title and annual salary. Okay. So they will take the state abbreviation, capital, country, then department and title. And you want to group by the state name. Why? In the report, you see that the average salary appear after every state. يعني أخذنا أيوة ولما هنيجي نروح لميزوري يروح كاتب لي الانيوال سالري. ده معناه ان هو بيعمل جروبينج بالستيت. اول ما الستيت بتتغير بيروح مديني الافريج سالري. So you want to group by state name. And it is not blocked. If you look at the report, بصيتي على الريبورت مش هتلاقيه بلوكت يعني معناه ان ده وبعدين تحتيه ده وبعدين تحتيه ده. لا، ما هواش بلوكت، ما هواش ستبت قصدي. فلو بصينا على بلوك هنلاقيها بالظبط كده، هو احنا عايزينها كده بلوكت. وغير الاورينتيشن للاندسكيب وكليك اون فينيش. فعندي اهو بس مفيش مكان للسالري كفايه، فقلنا هنبتدي ان احنا ايه نضيق you'll have to readjust the size. So first you will close the print preview, and it got you into the design view, but you can go to the layout عشان it's much easier. Okay, and then take this. Just like make room. So everything looks fine. Now in terms of columns, I only need to add the average salary. And we said in order to add the average salary, you will click on group and sort, and under the state name, you will add instead of without a footer section, you will say with a footer section. And the last thing is to add the text box, like we said, we'll go to the design view. And under the state name footer, here we are going to add the text box, and we'll make sure that it is under annual salary. And I've actually done it average annual salary right here, so I'm going to just add a label. You want to make sure that you have the format as a currency, and you can't really see yourself. And now when you view it, you should see the annual salary as a dollar amount. If you can see, of course, that it is to the right, so in order to bring it to the left, you can go again to the layout view. So that's really perfect, and now you can, everything looks great. Okay, so you're going to save it, and save the state and provinces, and that's the end of it. Thank you very much.